Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can monetize your Vimeo account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to open the Vimeo, and after opening that, so we have to click on the monetize. So let's see which are the monetizing steps. We have which steps we have to follow. So as you can see, monetize your content with your branded site and apps. Launch a video business. Turn your videos onto membership courses, streaming channels, and more. Reach viewers on any device. Distribute across popular mobile, TV, and connected device. So in this way we will get the monetization option. So we have to click on the create a site, and after clicking on the create a site, as you can see we will get these options like the name of your subscription or the service, and after that we have to select the region of the country. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Let's say different types of countries are provided here. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and then you have to click on the submit. As you can see, monetize your content with your branded site like app. So you have to click on the submit, and after clicking on submit we have to provide all details. You will get the information that your channel can be monetized or not. This is a Vimeo OTT. So in this way you have to follow these steps, and after following these steps you will be informed that how you can monetize your channel, how you can monetize your Vimeo account. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.